Hello, this ACG professional plan giving software is a powerful tool for everyone who wants to grow their plan giving program. You start by putting in the name of the organization being audited. Next, in the drop-down box, choose the type of organization that best describes your charity or the charity being audited. Over here on the left, you will see that there are 17 categories of assessment in the professional version. These categories make up the full scope of a complete, robust, and successful plan giving program. You will also see that when you hover over any of the categories, a pop-up information box will appear. These pop-up boxes provide you with help and support for assessing the category and its elements. In the next column, you will see that each category has 6 to 9 elements that make up that category. We encourage you to look over all of the elements for each category and gather your research before making a final assessment. To make your assessment of the category, simply move your mouse over to the assessment area and click on the selection that best describes your overall assessment. Once you've made your assessment, you can move over to the comments column and add any comments or recommendations that you have for the category that you have just assessed. I would also like to point out that as you make your assessment of each category, you will see that the graphs for the category best practice and peer-to-peer comparison move. These two graphs contain sophisticated algorithms that are based on research and real industry standards. You will see how your program is doing by category when it comes to best practices, as well as how you compare to your peers or like-type charities in the sector. Watch now as I click on a few assessments for the next few categories, and notice how the category best practice and peer-to-peer comparison graphs change. Once you've completed making your assessment for each category, and if you have the professional version, you can click on this icon that looks like a TV set, and a complete PowerPoint presentation will be created. This is particularly helpful if you want to present your results of your plan giving audit and assessment to your team, your charity's board, or senior leadership. But just prior to generating your PowerPoint presentation, we recommend that you click on the Intro tab at the bottom of the audit sheet, and here you will be able to add your name and organization to the title slide. Next, if you click on this icon that looks like a piece of paper, you can generate a PDF report of the full audit and assessment. This report is available for both the professional and the standard versions. And if you hover over this last icon on the sheet, this provides you with the opportunity to reset the entire sheet. This will erase everything that you have keyed in to this point, so we recommend caution when using this reset button. However, you will be presented with a warning message that you are about to erase the entire sheet. You will have the option to either erase the sheet or to cancel this action. And now, here is the PowerPoint slide deck that was automatically generated. You will notice that the slide deck contains a slide for each category. When you click on any of the slides, you will also see that it contains a list of the elements that were assessed for the category and any comments or recommendations that you have entered. You will also notice at the bottom of each category slide is the best practice and peer-to-peer comparison ranking for that particular category. At the very end of the PowerPoint slide deck are 2 summary slides. This first slide is the overall summary for the best practice measurement and peer-to-peer benchmark comparisons. This slide provides you with your plan giving program's overall assessment. The second summary slide provides you with the overall summary and health of your program. This summary slide gives you valuable information about the areas where you might want to start to integrate, improve, or transform your plan giving program, and it allows you to strategically plan on ways to improve your program year over year. The professional version also comes with this detailed guide to assist in an objective, disciplined approach to assessing and benchmarking your program for growth. The ACG Audit software tool is accessible and approachable and is backed by leading research methodology and practical real program experience. We hope it will support you in your efforts to grow a healthy, sustainable, total, planned, and estate giving program. We believe that it is only through knowing what is that your program can be transformed.